Good morning, students. Today, damped harmonic solution is explained to damped harmonic solution. Okay, previous class, equation of motion of a damped harmonic oscillator. Today, solution of the equation of damped harmonic oscillator. This is the damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, damped means dead beats. Damped means dead beats. Okay, first of all, equation 4. Equation 4, a differential equation in second degree. Okay, its solution. It's let us its solution can be x equal to a into e power alpha t. X equal to a into alpha t. Okay, first of all, damped means dead. The amplitude of vibration decrease, ultimately the body comes to rest. This is the dead beats. This beats is dead beats. Okay, this equation number 5. Okay, equation 5, differentiating with respect time, small t. dx by dt equal to d by dt into x అంటే ఎంత నాన్న a into e power alpha t. A is a constant with respect to x, with respect to time, alpha into e power alpha t. Next one, d square x by dt square, that equal to d by dt into dx by dt. Okay, next one, d square x by dt square equal to d by dt, dx by dt అంటే ఎంత అన్న a into e power alpha t, d by dt into a into alpha into e power alpha t. Next one, that equal to with respect to time a into alpha square e power alpha t. This is the x value, this is the dx by dt value. Next, d square x by dt square value. Okay, this is the next one. The values are substituting in equation 4. Equation 4 nana d square x by dt square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square x equal to 0. Omega square x equal to 0. Okay, this is the differential equation with respect to time. Okay, in equation 5. Now equation 5, d square by dx is going to a into alpha square e power alpha t plus 2b dx by dt a into e power alpha t plus omega square x equal to 0. Omega square x equal to 0. X equal a into e power alpha t equal to 0. Next one, a into e power alpha t, a into e power alpha t, a common term. A into e power alpha t into alpha square plus 2b ఇక్కడ alpha nana. Okay, alpha plus omega square equal to 0 plus omega square equal to 0. Next, this equation base చేసుకుని మనం alpha value find out చేయాలి. అంటే the solution of the displacement of the particle, the solution of the displacement of the particle as a into e power alpha t not equal to 0, therefore alpha square plus 2b alpha plus omega square equal to 0. Since a equal to 1, b equal to 2b, c equal to 1, formula అంటే angle alpha equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 ac by 2. Okay, alpha equal to b minus 2b plus square root of b square అంటే కనుక 2b అంటే 4b square plus or minus 4b square minus 4 into a అంటే 1 అన్న, c అంటే ఈక్వేషన్లో ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్, c అంటే ఏంటన్నా ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ బై 2. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కామన్ తీస్తున్నా minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus omega square by 2 cancel. Alpha equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus omega square. Next one, the displacement of the particle of the particle is given by x equal to a into e power alpha అంటే minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus omega square into t. X equal to a1 e power minus b plus square root of b square minus omega square into t plus a2 e power minus b minus square root of b square minus omega square into t. This is the solution of damped harmonic oscillator. Okay. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ డాంప్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ ఆసిలేటర్ సొల్యూషన్. ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి మనం సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, ఈక్వేషన్ టు ఫైండ్ ద సొల్యూషన్ x ఈక్వల్ టు a1 e power minus b plus square root of b square minus omega square t plus a2 into e power minus b minus square root of b square minus omega square into t. B is the damped factor, omega is the angular frequency, t is the time period, x is the displacement. Okay, next this is the solution of damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, damped means dead beats. Okay, the amplitude of vibration decrease, ultimately the body come to rest. This fact is known as a damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, right.